Dear traders, in this video I am going to teach you about the best trading view indicator for gold. The indicator for gold that I will be using in this video is called ZLSMA, which is one of the best gold trading strategy in Forex. It's because these gold trading indicators or gold trading strategy is very easy to use and has a high win rate. In this trading indicator, I will tell you that how it can be categorized as one of the gold trading for beginners as well. So this cost trading strategy indicator will help you get the maximum profit, and this strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. But before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which broker I am using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you will get the 5 options of accounts. They are standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods. Plus, they give you maximum profit for your each trade by taking very less commission or no commission at all. So if you are interested to open your account with them, you can get the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I will tell you that we are going to use here 1 hour chart frame. We can also use from here 4 hours chart frame, as these chart frame or this time frame has a very stable market condition for the gold trade. So I will be preferring to use 1 hour chart here for gold trading. For the indicator section, I will be going here and I will use here ZLSMA or zero lag LSMA by verified 1303 traders are using this indicator. You have to simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. As you can see here, this is applied on your chart. Now you will go into the settings of this ZLSMA, go in the inputs, and you have to see here that indicator time frame is here, length is here, offset is here, and source is here. We have to only change from here from chart to 4 hours. Okay, and click OK. Now we are going to add another indicator into it, that is EMA, moving average exponential. You have to simply click on it and cross from here. It is applied on your chart, as you can see here. Now we will go into the adjustment of this. We will change its length from 9 to 200, and we will change its thickness from this till to a bit more. So click on it and click OK, and that's it for this indicator. Now as you can see, we have this chart in front of us for the gold market. So we have to, I will tell you when to enter into the market for the long signal and when to enter into the market for the short signal. As you can see in this chart, that we have to see whenever we are going to enter into the market for the buy signal, we have to see 4 conditions to be fulfilled. The first thing is that our market should be, for example, for the long trend, if I say you, then I will tell you that from here, for example, our market has to be the price or candlestick is above the 200 EMA. As you can see, this is 200 EMA of blue color. So our price or the candlestick is above the 200 EMA as it is here, or this one candle is also showing the same. The second thing, this indicates that the market is an uptrend. Now the market is in the uptrend. The third thing, that the ZLSMA line, which is in the yellow color, it is above the 200 EMA line. As you can see now, ZLSMA is also gone above this 200 EMA line. And the fourth condition is that the green candlestick crossed the ZLSMA line and from the bottom up. Now it has come up above this ZLSMA line, green color candle, and now it has gone above this. The candlestick closed above the ZLSMA line, as you can see it here, and then when these 4 conditions are met, we can place a entry buy. So we have to enter into the position for the entry buy. In the same way, conversely, if we see that when to enter into the bearish pattern, then we have to see that our that the price or the candlestick is below this below this 200 EMA. As you can see here, it is below this EMA. So the second thing, it shows that the this indicates that our market is in the downtrend, as you can see here. The second thing that you have to see is that the ZLSMA line is below the 200 EMA line. So when this is the condition that our ZLSMA line is below this 200 EMA line, then we have to see the third condition, that is the red candlestick crossed the ZLSMA line, that it has crossed it here, and the ZLSMA line from the top to bottom. Then we have to see the last condition, and that is the candlestick closes below the ZLSMA line, as you can see it here, or you can see it here. But as we have this condition also, that our ZLSMA line should also be below this EMA line, so we have to see this as well, that our red color candlestick should be closed below this ZLSMA line. When these four conditions are met, you can place a sell entry. It means that we are in the bearish pattern. This is all about the strategy. I confirm you that when you see these two indicators and use it for your own trading, for the gold chart or for the XAUUSD chart, then you will get the maximum profit by fulfilling these all four options or all four conditions. So if you like this strategy, do not forget to like and subscribe my video, and do use it for your own trading for the gold chart. Good luck from my side. Take care.